everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your coded inequality. Let's see the question one by one. Which of the following expression is true if the given expression is true? So which of the following expression is true if the given expression is true? So here we need to choose which expression is true according to this equations. R is equivalent to V. Is there any R and V is equal? No. So what is the relationship between R and V? R is less than or equal to, yes, less than or less than T. T is greater than or equal to V. Now, n greater than t, is there any relationship between n and t? What are the symbols we are getting n while comparing with n and t? Greater than, less than or equal to, less than. No, here not a common symbol is here. After that, what is your third conclusion? Sorry, third equations, m greater than r. So here, so what is the r? Less than or equal to, yes, less than m. So I can write m is greater than r. M is greater than r. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct for the given expression. Okay, we'll move on to our next question. Here, so first conclusion, E greater than G. They are giving the equations E greater than G. First of all, what is your statement? Expressions and all. E slash F greater than G. G is less than or equal to H. H less than or equal to I. First statement, E greater than G. So here E is greater than G. Right. And your second conclusion, H greater than or equal to G. H is greater than or equal to G. Yes, it is right. H is greater than or equal to G. Now, your third, H greater than or equal to F. H is greater than or equal to F. No, it is wrong. I greater than or equal to G. I is greater than or equal to G. G less than or equal to I. In another term, I is greater than or equal to G. So hence fourth one is right and first one is right and the second also right. Hence according to this questions, only 1, 2 and 4 follow. So answer is not coming here. So none of these is your answer. We'll move on to our next question. Okay. L less than or equal to O greater than V equivalent to E greater than S. Here L is less than or equal to O greater than V slash E greater than or equal to S. Now which of the following one is correct? So here L less than or equal to V. L less than or equal to V. So L is greater than O. O is greater than V. It is wrong. O is equivalent to V. O is equivalent to V. No. Here S greater than or equal to L. Is there any common symbols are there? No. Hence your answer is, it is wrong. It is wrong and it one is wrong. Only 3 is true. We'll move on to your next question. C greater than or equal to H. C is greater than or equal to H. H is less than A. A is greater than T greater than S. Now which of the following one is correct? First conclusion is yes less than C. Camera enna agudhu? Please pa, I am pavam. Okay. Here S is less than C. So what is the common symbol? C is greater than or equal to H. H is greater than T. T greater than S. Hence C is greater than S. In another term, S is less than C. It is right. And yeah, second conclusion, T is equivalent to S. It is wrong. And your third conclusion, H is less than T. So H is greater than T only. It is wrong. What is your fourth conclusion, pa? H is less than or equal to S. So H is, while solving, H is greater than T. T is greater than H. So hence it is wrong. So according to this equations, your Correct is first conclusion is the right. Only one is true. Yeah. Now your next question. Which of the following symbols should replace the question mark in the given statement in order to make conclusion W is equal to F? What is your statement here? M greater than W, which is equal to P, question mark, F is greater than or equal to T greater than Y. We need to do one equation, we need to add the symbol here. That symbol, if I am adding that symbol, means the conclusion of W is equal to F. So, if I am taking greater than means W is greater than F. If I am taking less than means W is less than F. So, if I am giving equal symbol here means W is equal to P, and here I can use W. Now, the W is equal to F. The only one chance is replacing this question mark into equal symbol. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Yeah, in this video, as we discuss the some of the questions which is related to your coded inequalities, and in this type they give the statements directly. We need to find out the which expression is true for the according to the given statements. And thank you for watching.